Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I'm back with the new recipe of the week. But before that, I have a big announcement to make. For that, I'll call my product expert, Shimali.
Hi, my name is Shimali. We at Wonderchef are constantly trying to better your chef magic experience. We are working with a lot of chef magic users like you and adding a lot of new recipes. Today, I am very happy to introduce a new category of dals for you. Here, you will find 15 of your most favorite dals from across India in this category. Let me show you a few of the dals in the Chef Magic Cloud recipe. We have chana dal with lauki, dal tadka, khatta moong. From Tamil, we have the Mullangi Sambar. From Gujarat, we have the Osaman dal. We also have different tadkas like the onion tomato tadka, hing jeera tadka, lasuni tadka. We have many such recipes which I am very sure you would love to cook in your kitchen with Chef Magic. So don't wait. Find your favorite recipe and start creating the magic. Thank you, Jyoti. Why don't you come back and introduce this week's recipe to everyone?
So let's see what is the new recipe of the week. I'll go to Cloud Recipes, click Dal tab, and you can see various types of dal. Let's click to Tuar Dal with Lasuni Tadka. You can see the description and the ingredients. And I'll click Run. In the first step, we have to soak the Tuar Dal. So I've already done it and then click OK. In the second step, we have to make the tadka ready and attach saute blade. I've already attached the saute blade. Let's do the tadka. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. As the ghee heats up a little, I'll add jeera, sliced garlic and broken red chilies. As the jeera crackles, we'll add little chili powder. Our tadka is ready. Let's put 10 ml of water to stop the tadka from cooking. Our tadka is ready. Let's keep it aside. As I keep the tadka aside, in the same cooking jar, I'll add soaked dal and some masale. I'll add 2.5 cups of water, 100 grams of tur dal, salt, and a pinch of asafoetida. The dal will cook for 25 minutes and my Wonderchef app will keep me notified. As the dal is cooked, we'll add the Lasuni Tadka. Our Tuar Lasuni Tadka is ready and you can serve it with steamed rice.
And Jyoti, we must remind all our Chef Magic users about the June cooking challenge.
Yes, we have a contest going on, Cook with Chef Magic Challenge this month, June 2024. It is very easy. As you can see in the screen, you can cook any recipe in Chef Magic and post it on our Facebook and Instagram with using hashtag #CookWithChefMagic. Tag our handle at Wonderchef Life and submit your URL to win fabulous prizes.
So let's cook with Chef Magic.